Hi, this is Adam with MGC. I'm going to do an attempt to repair at 3325 Camden Street for Mr. Thawat. He had a tree fall on the back of the slope of the house, causing some damage to a few of the shingles. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to repair this shingle here. A lot of thermal cracking. There's wind damage also on the roof. So I'm going to try to repair this shingle. I have the recommended snake tool to try to repair without causing more damage. Damaged shingle. And replace it with this 3-tab shingle here. As you can see, some of these shingles are already cracking, tearing. Just trying to get the nails out. Shingles are very brittle. Okay, so you can see during the repair, the top of these shingles are just falling apart, cracking. Most of them have ripped. I don't have any chalk, but I would say that this was an attempt to repair was a failure. Requesting that this roof would be replaced. There was a tree that fell on the deck. It hit the back here as well. He has a board holding up the gutter. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.